Okay, so what we're talking about today is headlights, and one of the problems with the older cars is you can see that this part of the headlight is clear, whereas this got a yellow discoloration. On some cars it can be really quite bad. Now, I've tried in the past different liquids that can use white bonds, supposedly this is the problem. I found that they don't work. These headlights are made of acrylic, and to protect them from UV they put a UV film over the top. And it's that film that discolors. So what you need to do is actually sandpaper it off, which is pretty impressive. You sandpaper it off with varying grits, put a new coating on it, and hey presto, you've got a brand new headlight. And that'll cost you about $50, and which is a whole lot better than $250 for a new headlight. Okay, so let's talk about what's in the kit. So what we have is the headlight restoration kit from New Vision. So we've got 3000 grit, 2000 grit, 1000 grit, and 400 grit. Instruction manual, paint cloths, application cloth, yellow X cleaner, and this is the UV clear coat. It also comes with a glove. So what you have to do is sand back some discoloured colour, discoloured coat, and then get all the scratches that you've applied off by going to higher and higher grits. Clean it, and then you apply it. Wow, you can see that the yellow goop, whatever you want to call it, just disintegrating and just walking away. For heavily stuff you leave it on for about 20 seconds. For not so bad you leave it on for 10. It's a blue sky sunny day but freezing cold, so I've actually got warm water. So we're going to start off with the 400 grit. You can see it's making it turn into a milky colour. And I'm told this milky colour is good. So not panic. What I'm trying to do now is remove the scratches that I've applied by putting the 400 on. And I can already see that the plastic acrylic lens, whatever you want to call it, it's clear. Much better. Said always. And so now I'm up onto the 2000 grit. Water. Really feel it polishing now. But my only concern is whether I'm doing enough sanding. So even at this point you can see it's white. Let's say it's clear, but it's white. Whereas look at the other one. You can see how yellow it is, and that you can't see the fittings and the light bulbs and everything behind that acrylic. As if we go back over to this one, you can actually see inside the lamp. Okay, so that's the sanding process done. And as you can see, it's sort of clear, it's still cloudy, and I'm told that's normal. So what we have to do now is remove the tape and apply the yellow X cleaner. There's the yellow X cleaner. All we have to do is apply it. Don't rinse it off, but wipe it off with this cloth. And again, you can see how much better it is to the one that I haven't done yet. Okay, what we're going to do now is apply the UV clear coat, and it's important to wear a glove and apply sparingly using the blue applicator, which you'll see in a moment. So this is the UV clear coat and cloth. So what we do is apply this to one edge, like so. Pretty much on. Right on. Look how clear that is. Wipe off the excess because I did put too much on. I really hope you enjoyed my video. Stay tuned for more.